Know that it will be a title fight?
No.
Oh. Okay. Now, so just to clarify, Nonito is well prepared for this upcoming fight that's gonna happen already in June 14.
Opo. He's been sparring since February pa, I believe.
Oh, okay.
But
That's why
we had to change the sparring partner because the first sparring partner was tall because we were supposed to fight a really tall guy. So we were gonna bring in Ray Vargas. And then right before we were gonna bring in Ray Vargas, they told us that the opponent had gotten injured and couldn't fight. So then we sparred shorter guys after that.
Welcome back sa ating channel mga kaibigan. Donaire Nonito the Flash mga kaibigan is back on the ring after 2 years na walang laban mga kaibigan. Well, you heard it right. At saka ang bilis mga kaibigan, June 14 na po ang laban against Andres Campos mga kaibigan, isang boxer from Chile. At ang kanilang laban ay gaganapin sa Argentina mga kaibigan. Well, nagtataka kayo, ba't biglaan mga kapatid? Well, hindi natin alam at hindi alam ng karamihan na itong si Flash, si Nonito mga kaibigan, ay laging nagtitraining at naghahanda. Alam na nila ito at pinaghahandaan. Hindi lang binobroadcast sa social media mga kaibigan. So, ayon sa panayam sa kanyang misis at manager, Miss Rachel Donaire, tuloy na ang laban. At tungkol doon sa pinabalitan, Donaire versus Casimero is wala po yun. Baka prank lang yun ng Casimero team. Kung totoo man, barat ang promoter. Hindi kaya ang presyo ni Nonito Donaire mga kaibigan. Well, masaya ito mga kaibigan. Legends are back in the ring. So, kabang-abang, panoorin natin ito. After that, of course, kay Manny Pacquiao. So, what to do? Enjoy the fight. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next video.